In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see history in Monday.com. Monday.com is a fantastic tool for managing projects, tasks, and team collaborations, but understanding how to track and view the history of changes within your boards is key to mastering its capabilities. Whether you're new to Monday.com or looking to enhance your productivity, knowing the ins and outs of your board's history can really help you stay organized and informed. So, let's dive right in. To begin this process, you'll need to first open your Monday.com account and head over to the particular board you're interested in. This is crucial because each board contains its own distinct set of activities and tracking history. Boards in Monday.com are like your project headquarters, where all the action happens, and being aware of what's been changed or updated can make a huge difference in how you manage your projects. Once you're on the desired board, your next step will be to locate the three horizontal dots in the top right corner of your screen. This is often referred to as the More Options or Ellipsis menu. Clicking here will give you access to a variety of settings and tools available for your board, so it's a useful spot to remember when you're exploring features or customizing your board. After you've clicked on the Ellipsis menu, you'll see a drop-down list of various features and settings. What you're looking for here is an option labeled Activity Log. Selecting this will take you to a new page dedicated to the history of activities on your board. The Activity Log is your go-to place for all updates, changes, and general activity that has occurred over time. It's an excellent way to monitor what's happening within your team, track past edits, and ensure transparency across your projects. While you're in the activity log, you'll be able to scroll through and see a timeline of changes, from newly added items to status updates and any modifications made by users. This is particularly helpful if you're managing a large team and want to keep tabs on what everyone is doing. Additionally, filtering options are often available, allowing you to search through the history by specific dates, individuals, or types of changes. By following these simple steps, you'll gain insight into how your projects evolve and make sure you never miss any critical updates. Remember, staying on top of your board's history not only helps you manage current tasks, but also prepares you for future planning and decision-making. And there you have it. Now you know how to see the history in Monday.com. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing.